Alright guys, so we're going on a mini cruise now. I'm gonna go see jungle or something, see monkeys and stuff like that. We'll see how that goes. Tyler, are you excited?
Of course.
Alright guys, we just got here on the boat. Take a look. We're gonna set sail probably in like, what, 15 minutes? Get ready guys. Guys, we're taking off. Time to go to the island, guys. You ready? Yep. Guys, look, there's this big iguana in the tree. See it right there? See the iguana? Right there. It is big. Monkeys. Tyler, what animal are you most excited to see?
Squid.
I think you're at the wrong island.
Troy, what are we doing?
Mom is about to hold a macaw on her shoulder. Waiting in line to get some food now. Thank you, Father, for this food I've received. Thank you for our friends, our family, and our health. Thank you for letting us be safe for this day. Amen. I got crapped on, guys. I got crapped on. While I'm eating too. Disgusting. Whoa, check this out. It looks like an old jungle swamp. Coconuts kill more people than sharks.
Yep, every year.
Wow, cool fact, Tyler. Good one. The iguana's gone that was here when we got here. That big one in the tree
No, it's in devour
is out somewhere. It's gonna eat somebody.
No.
That guy right there, guys, he's wasted. In the blue, he's wasted. He's wasted. He's completely smashed. Look,
Wow.
he's doing tricks. He looks angry. Maybe he's hangry. Hello? 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 Hi. Oh, wow, okay.
Ring the bell, ring the bell.
Ring the bell. He's no fun. He doesn't talk. See, they're crazy. Oh no. There he is, guys. We found the iguana. Look at him. He's right there. There's nothing stopping him. That thing could bite your finger right off. Bye, Mr. Iguana. Look, guys, it's a lemur. Look, it's Mr. Lemur. You're gonna be on Button Entertainment, lemur. Whoa, look at this, guys. This is an alligator pit. Those things will bite your head right off.
Who are these two crazy Homo sapiens
Get me out. Take
locked
me
up
home.
somewhere else?
I want some food.
They're crazy.
I want some food. Take me home. Get me out. Guys, guess who it is? It's the owl from Legend of Zelda. It's the one that stops you every time on Ocarina of Time. It goes dun 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 dun. No way, that's Mario. Alright guys, it's time to leave. We're running late. The boat's gonna leave in a minute. We gotta hurry and get back on it or we're just gonna be left on this island with the monkeys. Bye, island. Alright, back on the boat, guys. Tyler, what would you name your boat if you had a boat?
Valerie.
What about you? I would probably name my boat the Spanker. So that house you just saw, that was the guy who made Netflix with his son after Blockbuster failed. It's almost the end, guys. We're almost back. You too. All right. We're all done. So did everybody have a good time?
Oh, great.
Yeah. I saw
Yeah.
the houses that I'll be owning in the future and the yachts.
What was your favorite part?
The iguanas.
The iguanas?
The iguanas.
What was your favorite part?
I like seeing all the houses I'm gonna own one day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part was the breeze coming back.
Look at the fish.
Ooh,
Perfect.
nice. Well, guys, that's it for today. It was a nice little mini cruise. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.